Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon hairstyle in less than 1 minute. To start, I'm going to leave out some hair on both sides of the face and then just gather the rest up into a low ponytail. Next, take a clear elastic band and just pop this about halfway down the ponytail. Then create a hole from the top elastic to the bottom elastic and poke your fingers through. Pass your ends to your fingers and pull them all the way through that hole to create twisted sections on the side. Now all we're simply going to do is wrap that ponytail around the elastic band as many times as your hair will allow, tucking the ends underneath. Then just grab one half of that twisted section and bring it over to the opposite side. Simply hold in place to the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside of your chignon bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.